Tokyo banana. Tokyo banana is a very popular souvenir from Tokyo, and somehow I received so many requests, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Let's make the banana custard cream filling. In a bowl, mash banana with a fork. Then add sugar, egg, cornstarch, and milk. Then mix well. Now strain the mixture through a sieve. Of course, you can strain it directly into a saucepan. So put in the saucepan, then put on low, stir constantly. Stop the heat when the cream starts to thicken. Then mix well with the remaining heat. Add a few drops of vanilla extract if you like. Then leave to cool completely. Transfer the cream into a pastry bag, then chill in the fridge. When the cream is chilled, you want to cut the sponge cake into 4 squares. How to make a square sponge cake video is in the description box. Then cut them into thin slices. Place the cake on plastic wrap. Pipe out the banana custard cream. Roll and securely twist the ends like a candy. It tastes better when it's chilled in the fridge. I know you want to look inside.